What if I told you the most important Tesla product right now isn't a car? Not the Cybertruck, not full self-driving, not even the next Roadster. It's a humanoid robot. And Tesla just pulled the curtain back on Optimus Gen-2. And honestly, this thing is way smarter than most people expected. I'm talking real-world intelligence, real-world movement, and real-world implications that could flip how work gets done in America. This isn't hype. This isn't a concept render. This is Tesla showing us what's coming next. And yeah, it's kinda wild. Before we dive in, quick favor. If you're into future tech, AI, and inventions that feel like they're straight out of tomorrow, hit that subscribe button and join the World Inventions X crew. We break down the stuff that's about to change everything before it goes mainstream. All right, let's get into it. For years, humanoid robots have been the butt of jokes. Slow, clumsy, overpromised and underdelivered. Most of them looked cool on stage, then disappeared. But Tesla played the long game. When Elon Musk first revealed Optimus, a lot of people shrugged it off. Cool demo, still years away. Robots are hard. All true, but then Optimus Gen-2 showed up and the vibe completely changed. This version isn't just an upgrade, it's a reset. First thing you notice? Movement. Optimus Gen-2 moves smoother, faster, and way more human-like than the first version. Walking looks natural. Balance looks locked in. Arm and hand control, night and day. This robot can pick up delicate objects, adjust grip pressure in real time, and handle tasks that used to trip robots up completely. That's not cosmetic. That's intelligence showing through motion. Because here's the key thing most people miss. Robotics isn't about strength. It's about control. And Tesla finally cracked a big part of that puzzle. Optimus Gen-2 uses advanced neural networks, the same kind of AI philosophy Tesla uses for self-driving. Instead of hard-coding every movement, the robot learns from data, vision, and feedback. In simple terms, it doesn't just follow instructions, it understands context. It sees the world through cameras, interprets objects in 3D space, and decides how to act on the fly. That's a huge leap. This is why Optimus isn't being trained in some perfect lab environment. It's being trained for real-world chaos, messy rooms, random objects, human spaces, because that's where the robot is meant to work. Now let's talk hands, because hands are everything. Human hands are insanely complex. That's why robots struggle with them. Optimus Gen-2 has redesigned hands with better dexterity and more precise finger control. That means it can grab tools, sort items, carry objects, and manipulate stuff without crushing it or dropping it like a rookie. That alone unlocks a ton of use cases: warehouses, factories, logistics, repetitive labor, and eventually, homes. Now let's address the big elephant in the room: jobs. Anytime robots get smarter, people get nervous, and that's understandable. But here's Tesla's angle. Optimus isn't built to replace creativity, leadership, or decision-making. It's built to handle repetitive, dangerous, and physically exhausting work. The stuff nobody wakes up excited to do. The kind of jobs that burn people out. In the US, labor shortages are already a real problem. Warehousing, manufacturing, and logistics are constantly scrambling for workers. Optimus is designed to be a force multiplier, not a one-to-one replacement. One robot that can work long hours, doesn't get injured, and learns tasks quickly? That changes the economics of labor in a big way. And here's where Tesla has a sneaky advantage. They already know how to scale. Cars, batteries, factories. Tesla doesn't just build prototypes, they build systems. And Optimus is being designed with mass production in mind. Simple design, cost-focused components, software-first intelligence. That's how you go from cool demo to millions of units. Now let's talk about intelligence again, because this is where Optimus Gen-2 really surprises people. This robot isn't being programmed task by task. It's being trained using end-to-end AI, meaning it learns by observing, practicing, and refining actions, similar to how humans learn. See task, try task, improve. That's powerful. It means Optimus can be retrained for new tasks without rewriting its entire brain. Update the software, feed it new data, and boom, it levels up. That's why people are calling this the beginning of general-purpose robots. Not one robot for one task, one robot that can do many tasks. And yeah, we're still early. Nobody's saying Optimus is about to run your house tomorrow. But compare this to where robotics was just 5 years ago, and the progress is insane. Slow to fast, clumsy to precise, pre-programmed to adaptive. That curve is steep, and the implications go way beyond factories. Long-term, robots like Optimus could help with elder care, assisted living, disaster response, hazardous environments, places where human risk is high and help is desperately needed. Now, let's keep it real. This tech raises serious questions: ethics, economics, regulation, and those conversations matter. But pretending this isn't happening? That's not an option. Because Optimus Gen-2 proves something important. Humanoid robots are no longer a someday idea. They're a now in development reality. And Tesla pushed the entire industry forward. Whether you love Elon Musk or can't stand him, one thing's clear. Tesla is betting big that the future isn't just electric cars. It's intelligent machines working alongside humans. So the real question isn't, will robots become part of our world? That ship has sailed. The real question is, how ready are we for it? If this breakdown got your gears turning, smash that like button. It helps this video reach more future-minded people. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve with AI, robotics, and world-changing inventions, make sure you're subscribed to World Inventions X, because the future isn't coming quietly. It's walking in, on 2 legs, and it's powered by AI.